Hi there, welcome back. My name is Jen and I'm so happy to have you here with me today, especially because we have partnered with Juvia's Place to go over their volumizing gloss sticks, and I'm so excited to see what's within this box. So let's get started. Can we please talk about how gorgeous this packaging is? First of all, the artwork, superb. It is stunning. And then when you open the box, which is actually pretty compact, you're going to see all 12 shades of these volumizing sticks. And again, one thing I love about the packaging is how the artwork matches each particular shade. So you already know what you're going to get yourself into. And it's just the attention to detail for me, because they always know how to make your girl excited to try their products. So let's start. Let's officially start. So babes, apparently these gloss sticks are a hybrid between a lip gloss and a lipstick. Ooh, I am so excited to try them, especially the 12 shades that are within this collection. I am loving the fact that they not only are to nourish your lips, but they're also to keep it hydrated, and they're gonna look super luscious. So there are 12 shades within this collection. There are also 2 lip liners. I'm gonna save the lip liners to the end of the video just because I want you to see how it genuinely looks without any other products. And then at the end of the video, we will add some lip liner to it and jazz it up, you know, give it a little zhuzh if it needs it. But let us start swatching. So this is how the product looks. As you can tell, it is the same size as any lipstick, and I am really loving how you can twist the bottom to get the product out. So the first shade is Stay Clear, and oh my gosh, I was not oh my gosh, I was not expecting that much product initially. I was not expecting it to feel the way it does. And is that like peppermint? There's a little tingly feeling, but it's not a bad tingly feeling. It smells really good too, by the way. But honestly, I was not expecting this much product to go through. I didn't think it was gonna be this glossy right off the bat. I thought I was just gonna, you know, swipe on the lips and I would have to build up. But just with, and you can see already, I'm getting, see, this lip gloss is lip glossing. This is popping. With that one swipe, my lips feel so hydrated. They feel so moisturized. It contains 5 botanical oils, which is giving it that voluminous plump, and it feels so good on the lips. It's not sticky at all, because I was afraid, you know, when you put on gloss, sometimes you're afraid to like go outside, God forbid the wind was to blow your way. You're not getting any of that at all. Like, it feels so good. It feels like you have oils on your lips, but it's a thicker consistency, but not too thick that it's not exciting to put on. You know what I mean? This feels so good, and I am obsessed. I am absolutely obsessed, and I love that there's a clear version of this as well, because of the fact that for a no makeup day, if you just want to hydrate your lips, you already have a choice right there. But there are 12 shades to try out, so let's continue on. The next shade is Rich Honey, and oh my gosh, my chapped lips are literally living for this. And already I am really loving how it looks, especially on my duotone lip. It doesn't look too light, and I really like how it looks. What do you guys think? The next is True Nude, and it's pretty light for me, but I think maybe if we added some liner, it could fix it. So we'll put it into the pile of we need to zhuzh up a little bit, but it feels so good. And I think True Nude would be great on top of a deeper color, just to bring in a little bit of brightness. But this is how this is looking so far. This is Rose, and I'm really liking how this color looks. Yes, it's a little bit sheer, but you're getting that pink pigment. And I think when you add some of that lip liner, it's going to really help it out a lot. But I think if you wanted a cute little pink moment, Rose is that girl. This is Soft Mauve. And yeah, not really for us, but I feel as though if you were to add this on top of another color, maybe one that was deeper, it would look so much better. But right now, I don't know. It's not really giving what it's supposed to give. But it feels amazing though. The thing about these so far is that they feel so good on the lips. When I take it off, I can already sense how much my lips are craving them on them. So, you know, the color, we're still working through them. It's especially difficult when you have duotone lips like I do to find a shade that works. But then again, we also haven't added the liner to the product, so we can't, you know what I mean? We don't even know. But just, this is a basic swatch, nothing added to it. This is how it's looking. So we just finished swatching all the lighter shades, and now we are swatching the darker shades, and this particular color is entitled Pink Velvet. The packaging is giving brown, but we will see. And again, I love how you can twist the desired product that you want. I really, really like that because it just makes it that much easier. You're not having to like screw it open and take out the, you know, the applicator and apply it on. I really like that it comes like this. We're gonna swatch Pink Velvet. It's giving what a nude on someone with my complexion would look like, and it's still giving you that high gloss that you like, that high shine that we're obsessed with. So I am thinking this is, the darker shades might be more for me, but I, again, really like that there is a hint of pigment in there. That way you get a little something, something, you know what I mean? Next shade is So Peach. What do you think? I think this looks really good. It's giving you a little bit of pigment, and I really like that the color really stays consistent and it isn't streaky. And of course, it looks really good on the lips. What do you guys think? I am really, really loving how this looks. This was the color So Peach. It has a little bit of a brown pigment to it, which of course just zhuzhes the lips up, you know what I mean? And then again, once you add the liner, I think it's gonna look even better. Next is Soft Life, which I think is gonna complement my complexion very well. So let us swatch. I already knew it. The moment I saw it, I was like, this is gonna look really good on me. And I am obsessed. Obsessed. It's such a beautiful brown color. This right here is another color that if you wanna have a no makeup type of a day, you know, with just like very minimal makeup, maybe you have some concealer, maybe some mascara, maybe your brows, and you pop this bad boy on, chef's kiss, because it's gonna pull everything together and it's gonna look so good. It's gonna look like you put in a lot of effort when you just added a little volumizing gloss stick. It's another thing to note about these gloss sticks is that the color is buildable. You can go from a sheer lip glossy look to more of a lipstick-ish look. Next is Sugar Cookie, which the packaging, I don't know. I don't know about this color. It kind of looks as though it's gonna look ashy on me, but we're gonna twist this bad boy up and we are going to, I'm not particularly fond of this color, but maybe if you added some lip liner, it could fix it. Not sure. We'll add this to the pile of, will lip liner fix it? But already, I mean, of course, it feels amazing on the lips. It feels like butter on the lips. The color for this, not particularly for me. Next is Chocolate, which I definitely think will look amazing on me. So let us apply it. And I was right. I was right, because it does look so good on. Again, Chocolate would be perfect for those no makeup days, because you know what I mean? It looks good, it feels good, and a must-have. We're also gonna swatch Cocoa. Ooh, Cocoa is that beautiful chocolatey color. I usually don't wear dark color lipsticks, but this looks so rich on my lips that I can't help but be so in love with it. It is just so pigmented. Of course, it's keeping the lips nourished and moisturized. It's lightweight, which is something that I absolutely love about these gloss sticks. And again, the color payoff is chef's kiss. But what do you guys think? I am in love with this color. I'm so sad because we made it to the last color of the collection that we're gonna swatch, and this shade is Black Cherry. I am really excited about how this shade is gonna look because it looks very plum, which is going to look really good on my duotone lips. So let us swatch. You know what you saw? This looks so good already. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Can we talk about how pigmented this is? Can we talk about how vampy and luxurious this lippy looks? This is achieved from a literal gloss stick, you guys. No lipstick, no lip gloss, a hybrid of both. And look at how good it looks on the lips. Like, it looks so good. This is so beautiful. I can't believe this is only $15. If you wanted to get 2 shades out of the 15 shades that there are, I highly would recommend this, which is Black Cherry, and also Stay Clear. These 2 shades, this, can you see this? This is giving all eyes on her energy. You know what I mean? And this, you always need a clear lip gloss. You always need a clear lippy, let's be real. Like, it feels so good on the lips that I'm literally salivating. That's how good it feels. What? We're now gonna try the lip liner and gloss stick combo, and I am going to first swatch the shade Sweet Nothing. And yeah, I can already tell you it's too light for me. That's not a good liner. But I could use it as a lipstick with a darker liner. No, I'm gonna have to pass on that one. The next one is Cola. Ooh, this one looks more my, yes, this looks more my speed. It's a darker color. And that's Cola right there. And this is Sweet Nothing. So we're first gonna start off by lining the lips with Cola. And the pigmentation is there. Okay. The lips are lined and I love how it looks. Cola is my favorite color so far of the liners. And so trying to decide which color to go in with. I think what we're gonna do was try and, you know, fix fix some of the other colors that were a little too light for us. And I think one of those colors was Sweet Mauve, which is coming off a little pink. So we're just gonna, the magic of lip liner, because it already fixed it. It made it look so much more wearable. It didn't make it look, you know what I mean? Like it was looking a little too harsh on our lips, and that lip liner came in and saved the day. Thank you, Cola. But that looks so good. It looks 100 times better. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. We have the liner on, and now we're gonna add True Nude, which was, again, too bright for us when we first swatched it. So now we're going to add it. Okay. We're making some progress. Is this like the perfect latte-esque lip gloss situation? Because it looks like it. It looks so good on. The magic of lip liner, it literally can save almost any color you can think of. And this is how the Cola lip liner plus the True Nude gloss stick looks like. It is so pretty. So this is the final look that I'm rocking today, which is just that Cola liner with Stay Clear. This gloss stick is everything. It is so refreshing to have on the lips. Again, it's because it's infused with 5 botanical oils along with butters, which really make the lips feel soft. Even talking, I'm salivating because my lips just feel that good. We swatched all 12 of those volumizing gloss sticks, and as you can tell, there was a variety of shades to pick from. They all worked really well with my duotone lips, with and without the lip liner. The lip liner did save a couple of the shades that were a little questionable, but that's besides the point because you have so many options to choose from, and I think it's really easy for you to create any kind of makeup look. I think this is a great beginner friendly item to try out because again, you can build it up, you can add various lip liners to it, and you can make it work for you. If you don't even want to add lip liner, you can just pop it on, walk out the door, and you'll be happy with it. They retail for $15, which I think is a steal. Definitely affordable. You get a lot of product with with one swipe. As you saw, we were swiping and doing everything we need to do, and we got quite a lot of product. A little bit goes a long way with any Juvia's Place product. If you didn't know, now you know. Juvia's Place has some of the most pigmented products out there. A little bit goes a long way. And I think one of these gloss sticks are gonna last you a while. They are also going to leave your lips looking shiny, plump, and nourished. And that is the end of today's video. Please let me know your thoughts down below. Are there any that you are excited to try out? Which ones were your favorites that I swatched? And as always, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you are well informed. And until next time,